Want to let AI trade crypto for you? Here's how to set up your own AI-powered trading bot step by step. First, choose a reliable trading platform that supports bots like Binance, Qcoin, or Coinbase Advanced. Make sure it allows API connections like Binance. Now, generate your API key inside the exchange settings. These lets your bot read market data and place trades securely. Keep those keys private. Next, pick your AI engine. You can use Python with libraries like TensorFlow or no-code tools like N8N or 3 AI integrations if you don't want to code. Step 4. Train or configure your AI strategy, whether it's trend following, grid trading, or risk management scalping. Test everything first using paper trading. Finally, deploy your bot live, but always start with small amounts. Monitor performance daily and adjust the AI model as the market changes. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.